An issue we're starting to run into is that students need to make sure that you are backing up to the iCloud on a regular basis. This can be done two different ways, and I want to show you that process today. And please follow directions and do this along with me. So open up your iPad, go to Settings, scroll down to iCloud. Now, to start out with, you can see here in the top right hand kind of quadrant of the computer is the iCloud. Now, if this is like gray or kind of frosted looking and you can't change anything, then you need to go to your email and then make sure you verify the email from iCloud to verify your address. You need to make sure you've done that, and some students have not. So if you cannot select this, you need to make sure you verify it. Next, you want to make sure that documents and data are turned on, and also your notes are turned on. Now the others, it's not that big of a deal unless you want them to sync, but documents, data, and notes need to be backed up, so make sure they say on. Then you click Storage and Backup, and again your iCloud account must be set up, which includes clicking on the email that verifies that that email address works. So the next thing, you want to make sure that iCloud backup right here is turned on. Alright, and as you see, mine's pretty full, so I need to go in and clean that out a little bit. But here's where the two options are. Make sure you turn on iCloud backup, and when you do that, it'll automatically back up when three things happen. One, you're plugged into your charger. The iPad is locked out, so if you have like a 1 minute before your 4-digit code pops up, once it's in that mode, and also you have to be connected to wireless somehow. So when those three things happen, it'll automatically back up your information, your data. If you don't have wireless at home, then make sure you click Backup. Now, as you can see, yesterday I backed up at 8:50 p.m. If I click that button, it'll back up my data, and you can do that right now. So if you've not done that, go ahead and once your iCloud's set up and all those processes are completed, click Backup, and it'll take you through the process. And as you can see, it'll take me less than a minute to do this. It might take you a little bit longer because yours might not have been backed up ever. But again, I know Mrs. Hippensteel's gone through this process with you, but make sure you do this right now, because we're running into some issues with people losing data, and we find that they don't have their iCloud backup set up correctly. Thanks a lot, and let me know if you have any more questions.